Hello students, again welcome back to my channel Agsagcity. So I'm getting frequent requests to update the essay topics along with the questions for 4th September 2021. So we already updated the complete prediction for 4th September for academic and gender module. So if you didn't watch that means you can just go through that. I will provide the link in the description. So here especially note that these questions are for your practice purpose. Don't expect the question same like this, but you will get same topics from the list. Okay, so let's begin and try to prepare with this. So the first topic is work. Most employers nowadays put increasing emphasis on social skills. Some people believe that social skills are important in addition to good qualification for job success. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under opinion type essay, that also in the way to what extent. So you need to write about the importance of good qualification and also about the social skills. So moving on to next topic under youngsters. It is suggested that every young adult should undertake a period of unpaid work helping people in the community. Does it bring more benefits or drawback to the young people? Same like is it a positive or negative development? So if you think it have positive effect, benefits means you can write like that in one side, or else you can write about it have benefits and also drawbacks, like that also you can write. Next one under world issues. Today the life expectancy of people is much higher than before. Some people think that older people should continue to be involved in the workforce. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to write about the agreement and also about the disagreement side. That means try to mention about the benefits of continuing in the workforce by the older people and also about the demerits. Next one under men versus women. Some people believe that women should play an equal role as men in the country's police force or military force such as the army, while others think women are not suitable for this kind of job because they need physical power to discuss both views and try to give your opinion. So you want to discuss about both the side in first and second body and try to explain your side. You can support any particular view or you can be in balance. Next one under urban versus rural areas. In many countries good schools and medical facilities are available only in cities. Some people think new teachers and doctors should work in rural areas for a few years, but others think everyone should be free to choose where they work. Discuss both views and try to give your opinion. So here also coming under discussion with opinion type essay. Okay, next one under work and life. People aim to achieve a balance between their work and lives, but few people achieve it. What are the causes of this problem and how to overcome it? It's coming under problem solution essay. You need to write about the causes in first body paragraph and you can suggest some solution too. Next one under unemployment. In many countries, more and more young people are leaving schools but unable to find jobs. What problems do you think youth unemployment causes for individuals and the society? What measures should be taken to reduce the level of unemployment among youngsters? This one also coming under problem solution essay. So try to mention about the problems in case of individual and also in society. Okay, and try to suggest some measures to you. Next one under communication technology. Some people think that increasing communication usage of computers and mobile phones by youth people or young people has had a negative effect on their reading and writing skills. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also try to mention about the agreement side. That means about the negative effect of this communication technologies like computer and mobile phone, and try to mention about the disagreement side. In that you can mention about the benefits of this communication technology. Next one under history. Some people think history has nothing or little to tell us, but others think that studying the past history can help us better understand the present. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. So discuss both the argument and give your opinion in detail. Next one under university education. University students often focus on one subject. However, some people think that universities should encourage students to learn a range of other subjects. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also try to mention about both the side about studying single subject and also about studying the range of subjects. Okay, about the agreement and disagreement side. Next one under education again. Some people think that children should start school as early as possible, while others believe that they should start school at the age of 7. Discuss both views and try to give your opinion. So you want to discuss both the side and give your opinion in third body. Next one under language. Some people think it is better for children to begin to learn a foreign language at a primary school rather than secondary school. Do you think the advantages of this trend outweigh the disadvantages? So here it's coming under discussion type, that also outweigh type. So you need to give more attention towards the advantages of this particular trend. So try to arrange the advantages in two different body paragraph and disadvantages in third body paragraph. Next one under business or related to marketing. In some countries, fast food restaurants and supermarkets give money to schools to promote their product. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? So it's coming under opinion type. Either you can say it is a positive development or it has negative development. And if you think it have both side means you can write it have both positive and negative side and mention about that in your body paragraph. So the next topic related to education about online and offline education. Many people use distance learning programs to study at home, but some people think that it cannot bring the benefits as much as attending college or university. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also coming under to what extent you need to mention about the online educational program and also about the traditional classroom program. Next one under travel and work. After completing high school and before going to college or university, some students take a year off either to work or travel. Discuss the advantage and disadvantage of both approaches. What do you think is better, traveling or working? So here you need to mention about the advantages and disadvantages of both approaches and try to give your opinion in third body paragraph. Which one is better, traveling or working? Next one under information technology. Some people think that the government should establish free libraries in each town. Others believe that it is a waste of money since people can access the internet at home to obtain information. Discuss both sides and try to give your opinion. So next one also under technology related to computer and internet. School teachers used to be the source of information. However, some people argue that teachers are not as important as before as the increasing variety of information resources like internet, computer and all. Do you agree or disagree? This is one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree. So the next topic, innovative learning. Some people think it is important for children to take lessons outside classroom. For example, by visiting places such as local companies or public buildings. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you want to be in balance. That means you want to write about the agreement and disagreement side. So the next topic, overseas education. More and more students choose to go to another country for their higher education. Do you think the benefits outweigh the problems associated with it? So here also you need to give more attention towards the positive side of this, advantages of this particular trend. And sometimes they can ask about this overseas work also related to employment. Next one under government role. Some people think that the government should decide which subjects students should study at the university, while others think that students should be allowed to apply for the subject they prefer to. Discuss both sides and try to give your opinion. You want to discuss about the government supporting side and also about the individual choice like that, both the side and try to give your opinion. Next one under children. Some people believe that reading stories from a book is better than watching TV or playing computer games for children. That means for their development. To what extent do you agree or disagree? To what extent? That's why you want to write about the benefits of reading stories. That means reading and also about the positive side of watching TV and also playing computer games. Next one related to environment. Environmental problems such as pollution and climatic variation are increasing nowadays. The government have taken some measures at a global level, but they got only few solution. Why is it so? How can the problem be solved? It is coming under. So this will come under problem solution essay. You want to write about what are the causes and try to suggest some solutions. Next one under environment and economy. Some people say that economic development is necessary to reduce the poverty in the world. Others say that economic growth should be stopped immediately to stop damaging the environment. Discuss both sides and try to give your opinion. So the next topic related to natural resources. The natural resources such as oil, forest and freshwater are being consumed at an alarming rate. What problems does it cause and how we can solve this problem? Again coming under problem solution essay. Next one related to environment and technology. Development in technology causes environmental problems. Some people believe the solution for these problems is that everyone should accept a simpler way of life, while others say that technology can solve this problem. Discuss both sides and try to give your opinion. Again, discussion with opinion type essay. So the next topic, energy sources. Fossil fuels like Coal, oil, natural gas are the main sources in many countries, but in some countries, the use of alternative sources of energy like wind energy and solar energy are encouraged. To what extent do you think it is a positive or negative development? So here also it's better to write about the positive and also about the negative side. Okay, because it's coming under to what extent is it a positive or negative. Like that means it's better to write about both the side. Next one under international cooperation. Some people think the main benefits of international cooperation is in the protection of the environment, while others think that a main benefit is in the world business. Discuss both sides and try to give your opinion. So the next one, modern culture. Nowadays people always throw the old things away when they buy new things. Some people claim that the broken things should be repaired and used again. What factors cause this phenomenon? And what effect does this phenomenon leads to? Coming under problem solution essay, but here they given the problem already, so you need to write what are the causes and effects. Next one under globalization. Nowadays people live in the society where consumer goods are cheaper to buy. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here you need to give more attention towards the advantages of this consumerism or this globalized world rather than the disadvantages. Next one under road safety. Some people say that the best way to improve road safety is to increase the minimal legal age for driving cars or riding motorbikes. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here you need to be in balance. You can agree with the point and try to give the reasons in the first body paragraph, and in the second body paragraph you want to disagree with the statement. There are so many other reasons for these road accidents and also you can mention about that. Next one under transportation. Some people believe government should spend money on building trains and subway lines to reduce traffic congestion. Others think that building more and wider roads are the better way to reduce traffic congestion. Discuss both sides and try to give your opinion. Coming under discussion with opinion type again. Next one related to materialism. It has been suggested that everyone in the world wants to own a car, a TV, and a fridge. Do you think the disadvantages of such a development outweigh the advantages? So, here coming under outweigh time, you need to give more attention towards the disadvantages of material possession or materialism rather than the advantages. Next one under urbanization. Some people think that it is more important to plant trees in open areas of towns and cities than to build more housing. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to mention about the importance of housing and also about the trees, importance of planting trees in towns and cities. Next one under international tourism. International travel makes people prejudiced rather than broad minded. What are its causes and what measures can be taken to solve this problem? Coming under problem solution essay again. So, here also they given the problem, you want to write about what are the causes and try to suggest some solution. So the next topic, online shopping or related to shopping. More and more people do online shopping. Why is this the situation? What is the effect of online shopping on shops and communities? Again coming under situational type essay, you need to explain what all are the reasons and try to suggest the effects. Next one under society and money. Some people think that paying taxes is enough to contribute to the society. Others argue that being a citizen involves more responsibility. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. You can be in one side or be in a balanced way. Next one, the gap between rich and the poor. Some people believe that the best way to produce a happier society is to ensure that there are only small differences between the richest and the poorest members. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also try to mention about the agreement and disagreement side. So the next one, international aid. Some people think that charity organizations should only offer help the people of their own country, but others believe that this organization should give aid to people in great need wherever they live. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. So you want to write about, that means in support to international aid and in opposing to international aid, and try to give your opinion in third body paragraph. Next one about crime and punishment. Prison is the common way in most countries to solve the problems of crime. However, a more effective solution is to provide people a better education. Do you agree or disagree? So here it's one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree with the statement. Next one under crimes and media. In some countries, some of the criminal cases in the law court are shown on the television so that the general public can watch them. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here you want to write about the advantages more into different body paragraph and single body paragraph about the disadvantages. Next one under newspaper or related to news. Although nowadays people are reading news through internet, newspapers still remain of value. Do you agree or disagree? Again, either you can agree or you can disagree and try to give at least two relevant reasons. So the next topic, media and celebrities. In some countries, celebrities complain about the way media publicize their private lives. Some people say that they should accept it as a part of their fame. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree. Next one, under internet. Most of our information comes from the internet nowadays. Some people say that a large part of the information we get is incorrect. Do you agree or disagree? Here also, either you can agree or you can disagree. So, in case of one sided opinion essay, third body paragraph is not so mandatory. You can divide it into two body paragraph. Okay. Next one, under media. A tendency that the news reported in the media focuses on a problems and emergencies rather than the positive development is harmful to both the individual and the society. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? So here also one-sided opinion essay. So always try to collect some points which can applicable under medias and technologies. Okay. Next one, under children. Children are facing more pressures nowadays from academic, social, and commercial perspectives. What are the causes of these pressures and what measures should be taken to reduce this pressure? So, it's coming under problem solution essay. You want to write about the causes behind each pressure type. That means academic, social, and commercial, and try to write the solutions to you. Next one, under sports and exercises. Parents should encourage their children to spend less time studying and more time doing sports and physical exercises. Do you agree or disagree? So, here also coming under one sided opinion essay. Next one, under computer games. Some people say that playing computer games is bad for children, whereas others say that it has positive effect on the way children develop. Discuss both sides and try to give your opinion. You want to discuss about both the side and give your opinion in third body. Next one, old versus young. Old generation often holds some traditional ideas on the correct way of life, thinking and behavior. However, some people think that it is not helpful for the young generation to prepare for modern life in the future. Do you agree or disagree? The same question you can expect under to what extent model 2. One-sided means do you agree or disagree? Balanced means to what extent model. Okay. Next one, under family and relations. In some countries, more and more adults are living with their parents after graduating from college, university, or even after finding a job. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? So, here you want to give more attention towards the advantages. Try to arrange that in two different body paragraph. Next one, related to arts. Some people say that every human being can create art. Others think that people born with the ability can create art. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. So it's better to collect some points under art, culture, tradition, history, and all. So the next topic, people and society. Some people think that in the modern society, individuals are becoming more dependent on each others, while others say that individuals are becoming more independent of each other. Discuss both views and try to give your opinion. So the next topic, advertisement. A large number of advertisements nowadays are targeted at children. Many people say this has negative effect on children and should therefore be banned. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It's coming under balanced opinion type essay. So advertisement related questions are asking more nowadays. So try to collect some points. Next one, globalization. Because of the global economy, many goods, including what we use as daily basics produced by other countries, have to be transported for a long distance. To what extent do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Coming under outweigh type of question, you need to give more attention towards the advantages. Next one, under science and technology. Due to development in science and technology, lifestyle of people across the world are becoming more and more similar to each other. Do you think this is a negative or positive development? Here you can be in one side if you think it have positive or negative development means, or else you can write about both. Next one, under advancement in technology, the speeding up of life in many areas such as travel and communication has negative effect on society at all levels, individual, national and global. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's better to differentiate about all three areas. Next one, under food. The food travels thousands of miles from farm to consumer. Some people think it would be better to our environment and economy if people only ate locally produced food. To what extent do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here also you want to write about the advantages of having locally produced food more. Next one, under health. Some people believe that to improve public health, government should increase the number of sports facilities. Others believe that It has little effect and need other measures to improve it. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. Next one, under sports and games. Some people think sports and games are important for society, while others believe they should be taken as leisure activities. Here also you want to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. Next one, under government role. Some people think that government should pay for healthcare and education, but other people claim that it is the individual responsibility. They want to pay for that. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. So they can ask about any type of government role. That means government role in any particular aspects. Next one, under health and food. Everyone should become vegetarian because they do not need to eat meat to have healthy diet. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also it's coming under to what extent you need to mention about the importance of having non-vegetarian and also about vegetarian diet. Next one, under artificial intelligence. Some people think that robots are very important to humans' future development, while others think they are dangerous and have a negative effect on society. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. So the next topic, mobile phone. The use of mobile phone is an antisocial as smoking. Smoking is banned in certain places, and so mobile phone should also be banned. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Try to write about the agreement and disagreement side. Next one, under modernization. Today, people can work and live anywhere they want because of the improvement of communication technology and transport. Do advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? So, coming under outweigh type of question, you need to give more attention towards the advantages of this particular trend. Next one, under space research. In the future, it seems it would be more difficult to live on Earth. Some people think more money should be spent on researching on other planet to live, such as Mars. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to write about the agreement and disagreement side. That means about the positive side of researching on about other planet and also about the negative effects. The next topic related to animals. Many animal species in the world are becoming extinct nowadays. Some people say that countries and individuals should protect these animals from dying out, while others say we should concentrate more on problems of human beings. Discuss both sides and try to give your opinion. So under animals, try to check out some points under animal experimentation, animals to consume as food and also for medicine purpose, like that. So the next one, government role. Some people think that the government should provide assistance to all kind of artists, including painters, musicians, and poets. However, other people think that it is a waste of money. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. You need to mention about both the side and give your opinion. Next one, under music or leisure time activities. Some people think music plays an important role in society. Others think it is simply a form of entertainment. Discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. While saying about the importance in society, try to mention about the cultural importance of music and all. Next one, under museums and art galleries. Museums and art galleries should concentrate on local works, not showing the culture or artworks from other countries. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to mention about the importance of local works and also about the international works. Okay. Next one, under buildings. Some people believe that government should spend on new public buildings such as libraries and museums rather than renovating old building. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to mention about the importance of building new building and also the renovation of old buildings. Next one, under urban versus rural. The movement of people from agricultural areas to cities to work can cause serious problems in both places. What are the serious problems and what measures can be taken to solve this problem? It's coming under problem solution essay. You need to write about the problems and also the measures to solve it. Next one, under consumerism. More and more people want to buy famous brands of clothes, cars, and other items. What are the reasons? Do you think this is a positive or negative development? So here it's coming under two-part essay. You need to answer for both the part of the question. What are the reasons? And in the second body paragraph, you can write whether it is a positive, negative, or it have both side means write like that you. Next one, under economy. Most countries want to improve standard of living through economic development. However, others think social values are lost as a result. Do you think the advantages of economic development outweigh the disadvantages? So here you want to give more attention towards the advantages of economic outcomes. Next one, under culture. Today people can use the internet to learn about the culture and lifestyle of the people of other countries. So there is no need to travel to other countries to learn about their culture. Do you agree or disagree? So this is also one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree. So try to collect some points under each topic. Definitely it will help you out in your real exam. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications. So I will be back with more videos to help you out in your real IELTS test. And also you can go through our playlist. You will get more and more tips, lessons, tutorials and materials for each and every module. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned, and God bless you all.